Baltimore County Public Schools tweeted, BCPS can now confirm we were the victim of a ransomware attack that caused systematic interruption to network information systems. Our BCPS technology team is working to address the situation, and we will continue to provide updates as available. For now, please don't use BCPS devices. That's from the Baltimore County Public Schools. I do hope that they do recover quickly. They did put out a statement yesterday stating, do not use their equipment, just use Chromebooks for now. Okay, how would you as an IT professional address a situation like this? Okay, also in the news, zero-day bug discovered in Windows 7 and Server 2008 R2 operating systems. Yes, they are old, but there's still a bug out there. Security researcher Clement Labro discovered a local privilege escalation vulnerability. Basically this. There was a misconfiguration in two registry keys that allowed an attacker to elevate their privileges on any Windows 7 and Server 2008 R2 machines. Microsoft did release a free patch for that. I say free because these operating systems are no longer supported, right? Also in the news, very exciting, Google Chrome now allows you to type hundreds of commands in the address bar to execute browser actions. For example, if you want to delete history, you can type in clear browsing data action. If you want to go into incognito mode, which is always fun, you can type in open incognito mode action. What about if you want to manage your passwords? You can type in manage passwords action. Very exciting stuff, very exciting. All right, enough of the news. Let's get into social engineering.